Oh, sleep, sweet sleep. Why won't you come find me? Must you always remind me of all the things I left undone? It's dark out, lights out, my mind should be dimming, but I thrash like I'm swimming. Elusive sleep, why won't you come? Troubles plague me through the night, keep me up till morning light, like a bully trying to pick a fight, and there's just nowhere to run. It's daybreak, my mind aches. I've just started dreaming, and the clock's already screaming. Another weary day's begun. Sleep, dear sleep, deliver me from sorrow. How will I make it through tomorrow? But normal life I've been denied. It's dark out, the lights out. There's no use pretending. These restless nights are never ending. The wheels are coming off this ride.